This is an Escrima drill to help you with your balance and your footwork. It's a simple around the world drill, and we're just going to be stepping in every direction, attempting to make the hit. And you can do this either with a stick, or if you don't have a stick, just use a simple punch. Application wise, it'll look something like this. Bang! Bang! Bang!
It's a great exercise. Exercise teaches you to force yourself to be balanced. If you swing around too much, bang! Make that hit. Boom, step, and make the hit. So it forces you to be balanced at all times so that you can make any hit in any direction at any time. Bang!
You can use any type of strike that you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, or box. Start left foot, step forward, make the hit. Next, you're going to step diagonally, make the hit, going forward. So we step diagonal, still striking forward. Now out to the side, step to the side, still striking forward. Targets in front of you. Okay? So if you don't have a stick, look something like this. And back, diagonal back, make the hit, straight back, make the hit. Okay? Then you can work all your way back up to the top, and then switch to your other foot. Try it in the other hand, opposite hand. It's going to work on your coordination as well. Maintaining balance, forward, making that hit. And now you want to be able to do any hit in any direction. Okay? No matter which way you step, you want to be able to make that hit. And keep it going forward. And like I said, again, the goal is to be able to make any hit in any direction while maintaining balance, control, have fun with it. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for future videos. If you'd like to see another Escrima lesson, check out this one here, and I'll see you over there.